Hello guys, in my previous session I had explained you about 4 tools of Inventor. One is extrude, one is revolve, one is fillet and another is chamfer. So today I am going to explain about sweep. So go to new, metric, standard part, then create part window, open. So here is sweep option. So guys, remember, to make a sweep one profile is required and another path is required. So first we have to make a path. Take a plane, XY plane, take line, so now path is over, sketch is constant, then finish the sketch. Again go to sketch for making a profile. So take, if we will make this front plane, take opposite top plane. So I am taking this one. Now I will make a circular profile. So now my profile is ready. Then finish the sketch. Go to sweep. Here profile is already highlighted. Then select the path. This one is the path. Here is type. 3 types of sweep. One is path and guide rail, and third one is path and guide surface. So today I will explain about this path only. The next 2 chapter I will explain about path and guide rail, then path and guide surface. So here output is solid surface. You can select the orientation, path orientation, parallel or. So here taper, if you require taper you can give how much taper angle, then twist angle, then press OK. Now our sweep is ready. See, so now go to file, save as, save. So for today it's enough. So the next 2 chapter I will explain about the 2 types of sweeps. This is the path type, and another that path and guide rail, and path and through surface. The 2 type I will explain in my next session. So thank you and goodbye.